Hey, what's up guys? This is Brandon Lee with Virtualization How To, and I wanted to show you guys just how awesome this new home lab server build has turned out. Really proud of how things are looking. You can see I've got the LED kit installed. This thing is running the Minisforum BD790i X3D motherboard, and that has the Ryzen 9 7945HX processor. And this is the Thermaltake Tower 200 in the white coating. So I'm really proud of how it looks. I've got just currently a GeForce 4060 RTX card. I'm probably going to upgrade to a 5070, 128 gigs of crucial DDR5 SODIMM memory, and got just tons of other things packed in here. I'm going to use this for a workstation / home lab server. So I may do Proxmox with GPU pass-through, or I may just do Windows with VMware Workstation or something else, just run some virtual machines. My current workstation that I create content on and do other things is in sore need of an upgrade, so this is what I've come up with. So just wanted to show you guys some of the color changes. There is blue. Let's go to red. And there is kind of a light blue. And we can have different effects on the lights. So look for a video, full-length video for this coming out very, very soon. I'm going to step you guys through all the components, what I use to put everything together, and all the details of this build. You guys stay safe out there. See you soon.